Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is elimination method. As you all know, in our previous video, we did a method to solve simultaneous linear equations. That was substitution method. And now we have second method to solve simultaneous linear equations, that is called elimination method. So let's start our lecture. So the first thing to understand is how to find the solution by using elimination method. So what's written here is to find the solution xy for the system of linear equations using the elimination method, go through the below steps. Okay, so we have 5 steps to follow so that we can find the solution to any given equation that has variable x and y, so that we can find the values of x and y. It will be called the solution of those given linear equations. The first step is, let me read the steps first and then we will follow the steps using an example. Okay, so the first step is multiply the given equations by a constant so as to make the coefficients of the variables in the equations equal. Second, add or subtract the equations to eliminate the variables having the same coefficients. Third one is, now solve the equation for one variable. Fourth, substitute the variable value in any of the equations to find the value of the other variable. Fifth and the last step is, the ordered pair xy is the solution of the simultaneous equations. You must not have got the idea how to solve it because we have not done example yet, and now we are going to do the example by using these steps, following these steps, so that you can understand it in well manner. Okay, so let's do it with an example. We are given with two equations. The first equation is 2x. Wait. Okay, so the first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Second one is x plus 2y is equal to 7. We are going to give these equations numbers so that we can identify it further for further steps. So to the first equation we have given number 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 is equal to 11 is the first equation, and then x plus 2y is equal to 7, it is the second equation, and we have given it the number 2. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to follow the first step, that is multiply the given equations by a constant so as to make the coefficients of the variables in the equations equal. As if you can see that in these two equations no variable coefficient is equal. With x, in the first equation we have 2 and in the second equation we have 1. For y we have 3 and 2, so they are not equal. Coefficients of the equations are not equal, so we are going to make it equal. One of these variables one of the coefficients of the variables in the given two equations will be equal by doing what? By multiplying these equations, means only one of the equations with any number, with any constant, so that we can make the coefficients of the variables equal. Okay, for the first step what we are going to do, multiply the equation 2 by 2. The equation 2 is this one, means x plus 2y is equal to 7. This is the second equation. In first equation there was 2x, so what we are going to do, we are going to make this 1x equal to 2x by multiplying this whole equation by 2. When we will multiply this equation number 2 with 2, we will get what? 2x plus 2 to the 4y is equal to 7. 7 into 2, 14. So when this whole equation will be multiplied by 2, the next equation, the new equation or the updated equation will be 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. Now we have got two equations. This is the already given equation, this one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, and this is the updated equation which we have got by multiplying the second equation with 2, so that we could make these two coefficients value equal. X is a variable and its coefficients should be equal so that we can resolve. So we have got this equation and we have made this value equal, 2x. Here it is 2x and here it is 2x. Now we are going to resolve these values in such a way that this will be eliminated. One of the variables will be eliminated, and obviously that variable to which we have made a change, it will be eliminated. Okay, so second step, add or subtract the equations to eliminate the variable having the same coefficients. See which variables have the same coefficient now. X has the same coefficient, that is 2. So we are going to add it or subtract it. Subtract these two equations from each other, and then we will eliminate x variable. So what we will do, we will subtract second equation from first equation. Okay, so here we are going to write the first equation, then the second equation, because second equation will be subtracted from the first equation. So when 2x will be subtracted from 2x, then it will be cancelled out with each other, and we will get 0. Then there will be minus sign, because here is minus 4y and here is 3y, so the bigger value sign will come, and it is minus. When 3y will be subtracted from 4y, or for alternate statement we can say, when 4y will be subtracted from 3y, then we will get what? Minus y, minus 1y or minus y. Okay, and then equal sign will come, and then 14 will be subtracted from 11. So 11 minus 14 will give us minus 3. Okay, bigger value sign comes, always bigger value signs comes. Okay, so minus 3. So what we have got here, it is 0 minus y is equal to minus 3. So minus y will be equal to minus 3, and this minus sign will be cancelled out with this minus sign, and y will be equal to 3. So the final answer for y is equal to 3. So what we have done here, we have got the value of the other value of one variable by eliminating the other variable. We have got the value of y by eliminating x. Okay, we eliminated x and we got the value of y. Now what will be the further step? Obviously it will be to put the value of y in any of the equations to get the value of x. So the next step is third one. Now solve the equation for one variable. As we have solved it, this was the third step. Solve the variable for one variable. We have solved this in these 3 steps. We have followed the third step. Okay, so now what? Now the fourth step, substitute the variable value in any of the equations to find the value of the other variable. As we have got the value of y, we will substitute the value of y in any of the given equations, okay, and we will find the value for x. Now we are going to take the second equation, that was x plus 2y is equal to 7, and we will put the value of y here, that is x plus 2 into y was 3, as we have found it. So is 2, x plus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 7. Here x will be remaining on this side and 6 will be shifted to the right side. Here the 6 is added to the x, but when it will be shifted to the right side, it will be subtracted from 7. So 7 minus 6 will be equal to 1. So we have got the value of x as 1. Okay, it is written here as well, and I have write it again here for your understanding, for your better understanding. Okay, so what, we have got the values of x and we have got the value for y. So the fifth step is finally the ordered pair xy is the solution of the simultaneous equations. So xy is equal to what? 1 and 3. So 1 3 is the solution to the given simultaneous linear equations, that are these. Okay, so this was our lecture for today. It was the elimination method for simultaneous linear equations, for solving simultaneous linear equations. I hope you have got the idea. It was very easy and interesting, but still, if you have any confusion or query, or you want me to improve my video or my content, or you want me to give more examples to you, you can ask me, you can tell me in the comment section, so that I will obviously improve myself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. And yeah, if you like my video or content, you can share it with your friends and you can subscribe to my channel. I will be really, really grateful to you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.